Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert, and today I'm bringing to the biggest unboxing for this week for Supreme that has obviously just basically passed. Probably my fastest delivery, I suppose, ever in the end, because yeah, I had the email to say it's been delivered first thing. So yeah, I've adjusted the camera to make things a bit easier, but yeah. This is my order. I'm no Pynchon. I don't have half the collection that dropped to show you. I don't have the capabilities to do so, but we do have just the singular item that I ordered. And then just to draw a comparison, I've got a prior Nike hat and then a running hat that I use on the regular. This one, not so much. I remember when this dropped and I was like, do I get the black colorway or do I get the denim? And I was like, I'll get denim. I should have got black colorway. I literally don't know what was going on in my head to get the blue. But yeah, as per normal, let me know whether or not your item has been shipped or whether you've only just got order received type of email from Supreme, or what's going on with it, or whether you went in store. But yeah, let's pop this open. Nice and simple. Wow. The greatest box logo possible, and that's everything. Yeah. Amazing. So this is the hat, the running hat. In the end. Oh, you're really doing it like that, Supreme? That's painful, because I was not going to wear this for a little bit. I was deciding as to whether or not I was going to be keeping it, wearing it and such, or whether I was just going to hold and then just quickly flip it. So the fact that this is not a peel open bag makes that so much worse, because if it's peel open I don't really care, because then I can go through the normal things. And with this, I really can't, which is so great. So I apologize for that, because it's been kind of stingy with it, but yeah. Anyway, quick details on it. It says it's a medium large unisex. I don't really know why you would say medium large. I can't really think of any other meaning for M/L. Also, I did not realize that it's Velcro as far as the adjusting goes, but obviously you've got Supreme on the back. It's plain and simple. Supreme on the front brim part, which is embroidered. The Nike is also the same thing. Two sort of parts for air or for easy sort of flow. What's the feeling of it? Okay, yeah, it's got the standard sort of material, I suppose you'd call it, that you kind of get with hats of this nature. It's a little bit different to the Adidas or Adidas one, obviously, and then you've got the inside tag for them. But yeah, just to draw the comparison, it's a little bit different. It's almost like what they put on their golf items. I can't lie, you can't really see it all that well, but it's a little bit like what they put on their golf gear for Nike. But I can tell that it's the same softness when it comes to it. Obviously with this one, it's sort of two panels on the side for it, whereas theirs is more so central to the head region in the end. Adidas, they want it to almost be airflow, whereas Nike, you've got it at we're going for wind panels, we're going for speed. But yeah, I think that it's solid. In the end, I might just decide to keep it and wear it, because I prefer the fact that it's got an actual brim, because this Adidas one is, I mean, it's great, this is great, but it is just, you know, a bit free. To compare it to the prior piece or Nike one that I bought, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of prefer the running hat. Yeah, I kind of do in the end. The branding, I feel, obviously this is an ACG, I feel that the branding's a bit stronger on this one in comparison to Supreme. This one's more controlled, you know, you've got the swoosh on the back, but at the back of this one, you've got the Air Max running down it. So I feel that this one kind of wins in that area. Also, the Supreme Nike is just a bit better because it's spelled out at the back, whereas this is just Supreme, then it's got a Nike for the clip to open and close it, obviously. Doesn't really much else to say for it, to be honest. It's just me yapping for a couple of minutes about a hat that I bought. But yeah, it is nice to draw a comparison to other pieces that you do have when it comes to these things, because it gives you an idea of it. I really wish that the bag was not a one and done, because I hate them when they're like that, because it means that you can't even oh, let me just check this. No, you can't, because it's a one and done. But yeah, I'm sure when it comes to it, you might just end up seeing me wearing it instead, And yeah, I still feel that it should have been way less than it was price-wise, but I bought it in the end, so I'm the idiot in the end. I can't really complain because I went ahead and did it. But yeah, that is going to cover this video, so thank you for watching. Like I said, let me know whether or not you picked anything else up, whether that was Palace, Supreme. Kith also released a couple of things recently, but yeah, that is going to cover it for me. So I do hope that you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.